What is going on YouTube? Paul James here, and today we are talking about 10 ways that you can use to actually make money fast. Let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into it. Also, somewhere through this video, I'm going to be mentioning my very favorite way to make money fast, so make sure you don't skip anything or you might miss it. The very first way that you can use to make money fast is to go through some of your old clothes. We've all got clothes that are laying around that we probably never really wear anymore anyways, and you can actually go and make money by just selling some of your old clothes that you don't wear. There are sites like eBay, Poshmark, where you can go and list your clothes for sale that someone else might be happy to get, and you can actually make some money pretty fast by just doing that. All right, next up is a site called Etsy. Now this is perfect for those of you who maybe are crafty or you like building stuff. You can go and sell different handmade items that you make on Etsy. You can just go and create a listing. You can set up a store and list multiple items. And this could be a good way if you're that type of person who likes to do stuff like this, handmade items, crafts, to actually go and make some money by just doing what you love, which is awesome. Next up is what I'm doing right now, and that's right here on YouTube, making money with YouTube. Now, I realize that you can't really make money that fast on YouTube by ad revenue alone, because it does take time to actually get a channel going and build subscribers and all of that stuff. But there is a way where you can make YouTube videos and make money a lot faster, and that is by promoting an affiliate product. An affiliate product means it's a product that you recommend to someone and you would get paid an affiliate commission for recommending that product. These types of videos tend to make money a lot faster because you get paid for actually recommending the product versus getting paid for ad revenue. Also, these kinds of videos can get views because there's typically a lot less competition, and when someone is searching for the product that they want to buy and they maybe just want to look up a review on it, they could come across your video doing the review and then buy through your link in the description of the video. Next up, this is something that pretty much anyone can do, and that is doing different odds and end type jobs around your neighborhood. This could be like if you have a lawnmower laying around, you could go and mow lawns. Or if it's winter time and it's cold where you're at, you could go and you could shovel driveways or shovel sidewalks. This is a way where you can just do some labor and actually make money and get paid. You're getting paid cash, you're getting paid pretty much the same day. You just go out there, mow the lawn or shovel the sidewalk, and you got money coming in quick. This next way is a site known as TaskRabbit, and it's kind of similar to doing the odds and end jobs, only this way, instead of just doing it for your neighbors, you can go on TaskRabbit and you can just look for anyone who's looking for different tasks to get done. I mean, it might be something as simple as like hanging up a TV, or it might be going and picking something up or something like that, but these are just tasks that people just don't have time to do and they want to hire someone for it. So TaskRabbit could be a really good place for you to go and find someone who's willing to pay you to do something, and you can go and make some quick money doing it. Okay, next up is food delivery. This has gotten really big over the past couple of years. Different food delivery services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates. If you have these in your area, you can actually make money pretty quickly by just going and doing deliveries and picking up items and dropping them off. By picking up other people's food items from the store or restaurant and then dropping it off to them, this is a good way that you could go and actually make some money. And if you're in a city where you can do this actually by walking or by bike, you don't even need a car to do it, which would be pretty awesome. Speaking of car, that brings us into our next idea, which is driving people around on Uber or Lyft. There's different rideshare programs out there where people are looking to get transportation and they don't want to use the traditional taxi service. You can go and you can just basically use your car and start driving people around and get paid for it. How cool is that? This next idea is something that I'm sure you could probably do because you probably have stuff laying around in your garage or in your basement, and you could kind of just get two things done at once. Go and clean out your basement or clean out your garage, find all the old stuff around that you're not using anymore, and go and list it on sites like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. This is a good way to actually make some money. And maybe if you find enough stuff, you could just have like a garage or a rummage sale, and you could have all of your stuff listed out for sale and put a sign up and someone could come and buy a bunch of stuff at once. It's a great way to make some quick money and also get some cleaning done in the process. I mean, why not, right? Speaking of, if you do have a house, this is another hustle that you could actually do to make some money pretty fast. If you have an extra bedroom or if you have a part of your house that you're not using, you could go and list that on Airbnb. Go write a nice listing description, take some good pictures, and you could have some quick money coming in by just renting out a part of your house temporarily that you're not using to someone else that needs the rental. If they're going to be in town for a couple of days or for a few nights, you could rent that out and get someone in there and start making some money off of space that you just really don't need to be using right now anyways. All right, and I promised you my favorite strategy. This is my favorite because I think it has the most potential to personally use to make money, and that is build out a lead generation website using a free website builder like WordPress and go and sell the leads to a business owner. I'm talking like go and create like a roofing website, and then when someone comes to it and they need a new roof, you could then go and connect them with a roofer. Now, we find on average that these kinds of clients like the roofer will pay us $50 for every interested person that we send their way. These kind of sites have the potential to make a lot of money if you do it the right way. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed these 10 ways to make money fast. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing and ticking the bell notification if you like these kinds of videos. And if you wouldn't mind, smash a like on this video if you enjoyed it. All right, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.